Welcome back to the Let's Get Real video series, where we put the real back in commercial real estate. I'm your host, Commercial Crystal.
And I'm Tyler Rice. Let's get into it. So step 2 of our 4-step process of how to get started with commercial real estate investing. We're going to talk about the math, the nitty-gritty of underwriting your deal.
And this really is a big piece of it, right? You've got to get to know the numbers, really educate yourself on the property and how it compares to the market. So, this varies from your rents, your vacancies, and really keeping, whether it's an Excel spreadsheet or you have a system or a formula, let us help you if you need assistance with that. But really getting to know the math, your rents, how does that compare to market? Are you slightly under rent on these properties, or are they at market value already? Your vacancies, how does that compare to the market? Coming out of COVID, that might look a little bit different for certain assets, but that could be a really good thing if you're looking for a deal, right? Really getting into your expenses too. Your taxes for your property, your utilities, your management costs, all of these things you want to have line itemed, and this is going to really help you get to that bottom math. What is your net operating income?
So essentially, you really need to know your math before you ever go on a tour. What is the net operating income? What is the cash flow? What is the purchase price? What is the market value? There's a lot that goes into it, and knowing that simple math before you ever go on the tour, in case it's not the right opportunity, you don't want to waste your time. It's also so vitally important to know what your goals are, your bottom line. You need to have that on what fits your personality and your lifestyle and your investor mindset, right? So make sure that setting your goals and having those numbers in mind so you can plug and play when an opportunity presents itself. So if the numbers line up, you can take advantage of it right away.
Absolutely, and you're going to hear that from us a lot. What are your goals? Because that is how we really build what properties we're going to take you to see. But it all goes back to the simple math before you go on the tour, really get to know that part, and then we can go that next step of the underwriting, getting to know the nitty-gritty before writing an offer.
Thank you so much for joining us this week on the Let's Get Real video series, where we put the real back in commercial real estate. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share on all the social media platforms. We'll see you next time.